Other than supplements, we do offer a lot of different food items that have amino acids. Amino acids are the building blocks of protein. Because humans don't actually need protein, we make protein when we get the essential amino acids. Our body does make a lot of amino acids, but there are essential ones that we need, and they're in everything that grows up from out of the ground. So we do have a lot of food items like hummus and quinoa. Those are both very high in amino acids. We have a vegan tuna that's actually made from pea protein. That's a great source. We have the field roast and the gardein. These are grain-based meat alternatives. And then the nutritional yeast over here that was used on the popcorn and a little bit was used in the quinoa. That actually has a lot of amino acids and it has B12. So it's an excellent source for vegetarians and vegans to get their B12.
Hi, I'm Caitlin. I'm a sales associate here on North Main Healthy Alternatives. I'm a vegan. I've been a vegan for 1 year now. One of my favorites is the golden flaxseed. You can use it as an egg substitute once it's ground up in baking. That's what I used in these muffins, which are gluten-free. Again, nutritional yeast. Good way to get B12 without having to take a supplement, which is my favorite. Healthy Alternatives does do bulk items, such as the golden flaxseed, nutritional yeast, and the popcorn. We have and quinoa. We have several different bulk items in the back that we do package ourselves. Alright, well, I prepared the muffins. Tammy did most of the work on this. One of my absolute favorites is this field roast sausage, which is right here. It's fantastic tasting, and per each link you get 25 grams of protein, which is fantastic. And honestly, you would never tell the difference that it was an actual sausage.
It's delicious.
It's delicious.
Vegan tuna with some celery and onion and the veganase, which is a great alternative for mayonnaise. It's delicious.
And we also just got in this vegan tuna, which is actually soy-free, which is fantastic. It's made with pea protein.
Coconut aminos is another great option too, because that's actually amino acids from the coconut, and it's a wonderful condiment in place of something like soy sauce or tamari. It's got a really nice, mild but salty and the background flavor to it when you put it in dishes. It's just fabulous if you're not using your typical, like meat broth or something like that instead. I actually, in the quinoa, I use the coconut aminos, some nutritional yeast as a base for the broth, and then I made the quinoa, and then at the last minute before I cooked it, I added in the onions and the celery. And by the way, I've actually been a vegetarian for almost 27 years. I turned 50 in April, and that'll be my 27 years.
Okay,
so,
great.
Yeah, I haven't really had any trouble. I've just paid attention to what I eat, and I get a good variety of foods that contain amino acids and B12 and D3, and I've never really had any major health issues, and I'm not on any medications, so I love the lifestyle. I think it's fantastic.